let's learn a little bit about warped birds. The top bird of an open and unpainted bunk is the most prone to moisture-related warping, especially when subjected to seasonal changes in humidity. When there is noticeable bowing or cupping in the top bird of the stack, please pick your selections from the heart of the stack. When the design number of birds have been picked and inspected, return the warped bird to the top of the stack, with the convex side facing up. This will allow both skins of the warped bird to balance out their moisture levels and return to their natural shape.